You think swans are the most peaceful birds ever, but you would never survive living next to one. But swans aren't just pretty, they're extremely territorial. So if you get too close, they will attack without warning. But here's the twist. Swans actually mate for life, so they'll protect their partner and babies at all costs. Therefore, that beauty you see is actually pure protection mode. Wait, this part will shock you. A swan's wings are strong enough to break human bones, and some swans can live over 30 years protecting the same partner, which means this cute bird could outlive your relationship and still be ready to